Hi, everyone that's not here today. Right now, I am joined by the fifth hour English 10 A-Day kids, and they are all happily listening along with me while I explain this assignment. So, this symbolism slideshow, you do need to have read the story that we read. So, what was it called? Through the Tunnel. And you are going to make 3 slides based on symbols either from that story or a different story that you choose. So really the assignment is explained right here. If you need examples of symbols and what they represent in the story, shh. This is my time to shine. There's a list of 5 different symbols that are in the story and kind of, or 4 that and what they represent. Or if you think that that story was boring and you can think of a different one that has more clear symbols in the story, you can do that. So let's say if I want to pick a book of my choice, I'm going to pick Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, I think was the example I used last time. If I decide to do that, I will have to give a works cited and in-text citations. So I would need to find the book, and I do have a copy of the book back there. So then I would pick 3 symbols from the story. So let's say I pick the Sorcerer's Stone, I pick a wand, and I pick a letter or something. So like the letter is a symbol of Harry's like introduction to the wizarding world. So then I would make a slide about that, what it represents, and then take a section of a quote from the story explaining what that is. And then I would do 2 more slides for the other ones, making sure that I give the page numbers and sites. So this is an example slideshow. You'll put a picture in to represent each symbol. So there's a tunnel. When Jerry swims in the tunnel is a part that shows it's the symbol. The tunnel's the symbol, but the action of him going through the tunnel is his journey to adulthood. So Lentz made a slide with the picture. And then the first picture that symbolizes Jerry becoming an adult is when he goes and swims into the tunnel and is not afraid, blah, 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 because that shows that he's becoming a stronger person. And then the second part is a quote taken from the story with the page number, which is important for you to do. You need to do that. And then it just explains specifically what this quote shows about Jerry. So it shows that he's hurting his back. Oh my God, bad timing. Can I pause and start this? Hold on. Hi, Miss Brown. I'm trying to record a video for the kids so they know how to do the assignment we're doing. So this is recording right now. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Thanks, bye. Anyway, that's fine. So it just kind of explains a specific section, and then you just elaborate what this quote shows. Same thing. So the next one is with this lovely image of a mother and child, which looks like from the mid 2000s with that outfit, girl work. So the second symbol taken from this sheet was kind of going out the beach / mother. What about it? So when Jerry leaves that beach to go swim with the big kids, right? So this picture, great representation of what happened in the story. So something like that. It's wonderful. And then quote from the story again with the page number it came from, and then elaborating on what the quote does, what it explains about Jerry again. And then one more. So I'm gonna make 3 slides total. With the story, I'm fine with you putting the name of the story, and I would also put the name of the author in here. That way, if it's just Through the Tunnel, that's fine. If you use a different book, you do need to do an MLA Works Cited, which you should be able to just literally look up and it'll frame it for you. Okay. Okay. Well, thanks for joining me. But I'm not going to re-record this. Bye.